Hello, in front of me I've got Avatar Frontiers of Pandora. In this video I'll show you how to manage Hunter's Guide. In the beginning, let's go to menu of the game and find Hunter's Guide. Here you can find entries that are discovered, favorite, or via type, material, or region. Thanks to Hunter's Guide, you can pin items and then you can look them on the map. Here are your favorite items and here is the type of the items. There are a total of 362 entries. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.